The growing need to launch innovative therapies faster and at lower costs has been pushing biopharmaceutical companies to focus on improving their manufacturing technologies. Monoclonal antibodies are complex biologic molecules by nature. This intrinsic complexity requires biopharmaceutical companies to adopt a new growth mindset to utilize innovative solutions, such as 3M Polisher ST, which can be used for a wide range of operating conditions. 3M Polisher ST technology utilizes a proprietary membrane protected by a polypropylene nonwoven material. It's now viable to replace the anion exchange column to achieve a simplified and cost-effective process. This technology's ability to operate under a wide range of operating conditions provides several advantages, including improved process yields, product purity, and product quality. These features help save costs and provide greater efficiency to biopharmaceutical manufacturing. Based on differential test results in comparison to anion exchange columns, it's clear that 3M's Polisher ST will fully replace them by 2030.